Hi, welcome. So I'm in the city center and I'm intending to share a video with you from here in the city center. It's just a busy day here. I noticed that many people enjoy these particular videos, so I decided to do another one and check out what I've managed to put together and enjoy. Just to give you an overview of this video will cover the upper part of the city, and I'm not going to pass Moi Avenue. The video will mostly end around Moi Avenue. I will not cross that road. So right now on my right you can see Supreme Court of Kenya, and then on the other side, so I'm headed downwards, and some parts of the video will capture Moi Avenue around Kencom, and then come back all the way through Kimathi Street to GPO. So this place is where people park their cars around Aga Khan Walk, and on Sundays this place is used for skating. So I think on the weekdays they use for parking, as you can see. So this place is around Aga Khan Walk. So the building you see right in front on the left side is Kenya Power. And the building you see right on the left is Kencom with the cream painting and some design, square design. This area is Moi Avenue, and I'm going to make a turn towards Kimathi Street all the way to GPO. So this building is called Ambassador, the one I tried showing. It's mostly famous. The one across the road with a maroon writing is called Ambassador. It's next to National Archives. If you board a PSV vehicle, a matatu, a bus, and it says Ambassador, that's where you're going to alight. That's the place they are talking about, along Moi Avenue. So I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Take your time to check out the place and tell me what you think about it. Also, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for always coming.